Ready na ba? Okay mga beshi, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today our video is I'm going to show you how to cook my own recipe barbecue pork belly and chicken. So I'm going to show you all the details and all the recipe that I'm going to use for marination. So I hope you enjoy watching my video and hope you like it. So thank you very much and enjoy watching it. So good morning mga beshi. Today we're going to marinate the pork belly and a little bit of chicken. So today this is all our ingredients that we're going to need. So we'll need the mayoran, thyme, chili flakes, ketchup, a little bit brown sugar, wie heißt this, Knoblauch powder, garlic powder, a little bit steak barbecue powder, salt, black pepper, soya sauce, and paprika. So all this, we're going to mix all of them. So now, mga beshi, we're going to add the meat. So meat is already washed and we're going to mix together with the marinated sauce. So we're going to add the meat. So, haluin lang natin mga beshi. Just mix it and we will cook it later after 1 hour. So, mga beshi, we're going to put now our marination, pork belly and chicken. So, come on, join me, mga beshi. Careful. Going to check our pork belly. Okay na ba? So mga beshi, that's for our video for today and I hope you enjoy watching it and please like, share and subscribe. So I'm going to show you all more videos and yeah, just stand by and please stay safe. Always wear mask. So thank you very much and have a good day.